Greetings. I have been preaching my wealth creation principles for many years now from the pulpit of the internet and consider it a high honor that I have been able to assist so many of you to commence upon this exciting path of wealth creation, freedom and abundance. Please accept this one fact, a fact that I am totally and utterly certain of: becoming a millionaire via my wealth creation principles is within the easy grasp of just about everyone in the Western world. So if you are not making it right now, that is, what you have been doing up till now has not financially worked for you, why don't you embrace my teachings until my knowledge becomes your knowing? Remember, a guru or a teacher is only ever the bridge to your inner knowing. Once you have crossed the bridge to your destination, the bridge fades into the illusory past and becomes obsolete. Those of you who have read my other articles or my book know that I am not about advising you to borrow money, use existing funds or income, speculating, investing or even making money. I teach the direct route of wealth creation. That is, a millionaire is a person whose net assets in a non-fire sale situation, if sold, would bring a price in excess of a net $1 million. So if you want to become a millionaire fast, we ask the simple question: what is a quick and easy, sure way of increasing your net assets by $1 million? Now most of you have jobs and families to support, so to avoid burnout, you will need to create this $1 million in assets, not only part-time, but also in an enjoyable and relaxing way. When I was a 10-year-old in the late 50s, I lived in basically what was a satellite English migrant city in Australia. Almost all families were struggling and times were hard. Click the link in the description to get the best product in the market, proven to work.